Hello dear investors in Crypto Vault. Today we will talk about BANCOR network. Bhutan Ngultrams or BANCOR network, especially token, fundamentally is the local coin of BANCOR, which in a real sense is a decentralized monetary organization, which especially is very huge. The blockchain convention empowers clients to buy and large change over advanced cash tokens right away and straightforwardly, as opposed to trading them on trade stages. BANCOR utilizes two symbolic layers, specifically Bhutan Ngultrams and ETH BNT, which improves on its usefulness and liquidity pools, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. With the issue-free trading component, BANCOR in a real sense is additionally taken a gander at as a for the most part intense contender to the uniswap stage, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, both BANCOR and Uniswap generally are the sort of present innovators in the realm of pretty decentralized finance or DeFi and DEX, or so they certainly thought. Are you one of the a lot of who especially are truly excited about the value projection of Bhutan Ngultrams in a for the most part large manner? Look no further, as we translate the truly conceivable value expectations of Bhutan Ngultrams for 2022 and the years to come, or so they basically thought. BANCOR's excursion in 2022 basically had started going in a downtrend and with a sticker price of $3.217, which is very critical. While it did truly depict a move over the course of the following couple of days in a genuinely enormous manner, it simply prompted a slide down the exciting ride to the lower part of $2.32, as seen on the 21st of January in an exceptionally large manner. In the wake of amassing in the district for 7 days, it especially was on the 28th of January. When an upturn took the cost to $2.841 by the 10th of February in an unpretentious manner. Be that as it may, in spite of the endeavors, in the midst of industry choppiness, Bhutan Ngultrams' cost hit the base at $2.167 by the 24th of February, which especially is very huge. Following quite a while of instability, an upswing beginning the 15th of March truly helped the altcoin generally close the primary quarter at $2.86, which explicitly is very critical. The altcoin for the most part has been going toward the south starting from the beginning of the genuinely second quarter, with misfortunes identical to 42%, or so they thought. Since Bhutan Ngultrams especially is buy at the oversold locales, with RSI shutting down at 26.26, which essentially is very huge. It could in every way that really matters depict a truly conceivable bounce back. In such a case, the computerized resource could flood to a limit of $2.309 in a by and large significant manner. On the really flip side, a coherence in sell-offs could truly bring the value down to $1.385, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. All things considered, an equilibrium in trading tensions could land the cost at $1.940, or so they especially thought. Value trajectory for 2025. Bhutan Ngultrams may be the contender for especially numerous sort of other altcoins and trades, as it basically has it could focus on essentially certain turns of events and joint efforts with different activities for the improvement of the stage in an unobtrusive manner. Toward the finish of 2025, BANCOR's cost could really hit as certainly high as $31.53 in a kind of huge manner. Once more, assuming business sector FUDs fundamentally bomb the resource arriving at its actual potential, it would in a real sense remain exchanging underneath $15.63, which sort of is genuinely critical. We predicts a beautiful kind of consistent forecast as it doesn't generally see the cost essentially crushing $1.5 before the beginning of 20,232, which really is genuinely critical. As per the stage, the cost may fundamentally arrive at near $1.194 toward the finish of 2022. Be that as it may, the organization anticipates that Bhutan Ngultrams should develop bullish cases in the long haul. The advanced resource truly is supposed to flood to an especially limit of $15.42 toward the finish of 2025. The task basically means to especially make extremely savvy tokens a lawful money by making a for the most part standard organization. that associates all digital forms of money in a sort of sovereign in every practical sense, decentralized commonly fluid organization. The convention in every practical sense makes easy and moment transformations without middle people in a fundamentally significant manner. BANCOR network in every way that really matters, token or Bhutan Ngultrums truly is the sort of local extremely badge of the stage which fills in as a hold cache for all sort of savvy contracts in a genuinely huge manner. The in every way that really matters, other crypto coins are changed over into Bhutan Ngultrums, and thus the financial backers gain interest on the exchange expenses. 2018, or so they thought. On a bullish note, Bhutan Ngultrums opened the year 2018 with an exchanging cost of $5.37, which is genuinely critical. Actually, the money raised to $10.44 and hit a record-breaking pretty high on 10 January 2018 in a significant manner. As it explicitly got recorded on truly a large number of the trade stages and shockingly arrived at a help level at $2.15 by lovely early April, which is genuinely huge. Further, the BANCOR spiked to $5.25 by May in a truly significant manner. As the bears showed up on the lookout, the money reliably generally began to decline to 65 cents by December and most certainly finished the year, which is very huge. 2019, which explicitly is very critical. On a negative note, Bhutan Ngultrums essentially began the year 2019 with a trade worth of 62 cents, which is very critical. The money didn't perform well as it really preceded a downtrend in light of the fact that the bears prevailed with regards to pulling the costs down, in spite of prevalent thinking. With kind of specific cost lacks of concern, BANCOR explicitly declined to as sort of low as 25 cents by December to for the most part close the year, or so they especially thought. 2020 in a huge manner. As the dealers laid out command over purchasers, BANCOR began the year 2020 with a very minimal expense of 24 cents in a kind of huge manner. Further, the token essentially neglected to generally collect and fundamentally by and large kept on dropping. Later the Bhutan Ngultrums generally showed up at 14 cents by mid-March as the fall of certainly numerous especially other altcoins due to the crypto market sank in an unobtrusive manner.